Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to use Riffusion AI. First, head into their account and log in. Now on the upper text box, go to it and go to prompt. Here you can type in the prompt that you want, like what I did. I typed in slow ambient guitar with echo effects. Once done, just click on generate. And now it's generating a sound according to your prompt. Once done generating, you can now listen to it. And if you like the audio that was generated, you can click on the three dots beside the audio. Then click on download. You can choose whether MP4A or MP3. And as you can see, it is now downloading your audio. And you can also compose your own. Just click again on the text box. Then go to compose. Here you can add in a lyrics. I'm just gonna paste the lyrics that I generated earlier. Or you can go use a ghostwriter. After that, you can describe the sound that you want for this lyrics. I will type in a lo-fi beat with soft piano and vinyl crackle. You can type in more prompt for it to get the vibe that you want. Then you can also add in a detail. And when you're done, just click on generate. And now as you can see, it is now done generating your audio. If you play it, you will hear what you prompted.
Midnight thoughts on the window pane. Rain keeps tapping like it's saying my name.
If you like it, just click on the three dots beside the audio. Then go to download. And it will be downloaded to your device. You can also use your own audio or voice in Riffusion. Just click it again on the text box. When you go to compose, you can upload your own audio. You just need to select a plan as it is not free. Once you selected the plan, it will allow you to use your own audio. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.